Hello everyone. The reason that I decided I want to become an engineer is both to be able to understand and create existing technologies, but also to invent new technologies that enable us to provide the 21st century lifestyle while preventing further harm to the environment. Today I would like to tell you about one such technology. The single most important quantity to the 21st century is electricity. Currently, much of the electricity consumed is generated from the burning of hydrocarbons. However, this obviously causes a large amount of pollution that is crippling our environment. The goal is to find a way to produce our much needed electricity in a completely carbon-free and sustainable way. However, already discovered methods such as wind, solar power, and water are clean, but these all have proven to be unreliable and cannot supply constant power through all times of the day and conditions. One way of generating a constant and reliable supply of energy is not just harnessing the power of the sun, but to bring it to the earth. The sun's energy is created through a process called nuclear fusion, in which two isotopic atoms of hydrogen are joined to form a helium atom. When this process occurs, some mass is destroyed and converted to energy. In the sun, the huge mass generates a strong gravitational field, which then in turn creates an extremely high pressure and temperature atmosphere, in which the hydrogen spontaneously fuses to become helium. On Earth, pressures and temperatures this high are extremely difficult to produce and require a lot of energy. Therefore, with current technology, nuclear fusion is not energetically beneficial, meaning that the energy required to create the conditions necessary are higher than the energy gained from the reaction. However, all is not lost, and in fact many countries are funding research projects to explore the feasibility of this power generation technique. One such research effort is known as tokamak, which is shown here. It is an experimental nuclear fusion reactor that is currently under construction in southern France. A stable reaction of this type has already been created. However, it did not last long and was not yet energetically beneficial. It is only a matter of time before one of the many teams of engineers managed to create a stable, energetically beneficial nuclear fusion reaction. After that, humans will have completely green, carbon-free electricity in abundance, for which the only byproduct is heat and infrastructure. When this shift occurs, there will be another natural shift. Electricity will have become completely clean and sustainable, and therefore there will be no need to drive internal combustion engine vehicles. Already in 2018, there are many fully electric vehicles, with a few shown here. But the market has not excelled. This is due to the simple fact that the current electricity generation methods are not much more environmentally friendly than the internal combustion engines that are currently being manufactured. Once power is completely green, there will be a huge shift to electric vehicles. Once the switch has been made, we will have completely green energy all around us, and our ecological footprint will be greatly reduced. The growth in the electric vehicle industry will also boost innovation that could be used in the electricity storage systems. The lithium-ion battery used in electric cars has a limited lifespan and limited weather operation. With more money and focus, a better energy storage system could be developed, making electric cars even more efficient and long-lasting. Together, the electricity generation and the consequent effects of clean carbon-free power will reduce the pollution created and significantly increase the life of the planet. Therefore, nuclear fusion would change the world forever. It would create green and sustainable electricity, which would then cause a shift from internal combustion engines to electric cars. This would further compound the greenhouse gas savings and savings in carbon emissions. This would extend the life of the planet and ensure that future generations have a planet to live in as clean and beautiful as ours.